Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how can we configure banner in our system. So banner means basically showing some text like unauthorized access is prohibited, something like that, when the user tries to log in. So let's begin. Our agenda is setting up a banner in the system. Alright. Banner could be of two types. One is the message which you want to display when the user tries to log in. It is before login. And another is the message which you will display after login. Two types of banner. One before the user logs in, and second after the user logs in. Alright? Okay. Excuse me. So first of all, we have to be aware of two files. One is SSH issue and the other is HCMOTD. If you place text in /HC/issue, then the message would be displayed before the user logs in. But if you put the text inside HCMOTD, then the text would be displayed after the user logs in. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, let's open the file /issue and let's put some text. Actually, I have copied one beautiful message from the internet and I'm going to copy paste it. Alright. After adding text to the file, we have to go to the SSH configuration. BIHC SSH d_config, and here let's search the word banner. By default there is no banner. I will add where the banner is inside /HC issue. Alright. And after making modification in the file, we have to restart SSH service. Now if we try to log in from another machine to this machine, then will the message be displayed? I hope it will. SSH root @192.168.122.75. This is the IP of this machine. We can verify using this command. Again, yes, this is the IP address. And now let's try to SSH into the system. Wow. Now we saw that the message which we put inside /HC issue, the message is here. Alright. Okay. Okay, now let's move to another message, which is the MOTD message. Okay. For that, let's go in this machine, and here inside HC there is MOTD. We can see that there should be something like MOTD. Yes, via MOTD, and inside there we can put something like hello sir, thank you for coming inside. Alright. Now if we try to log into the system again, I think I misspelled the password. Yes, we can see this is hello sir, thank you for coming inside. It's a plain text, but you can write some customized message. It's generally used when the system is in maintenance. For example, you can write something like, hello sir, the system would undergo maintenance from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, and if you would like to display that, then in that case it would be useful. Yes, so if you would like to show some messages that are really important and which might be changed the next day, something like migration work or maintenance work, then MOTD is useful. All right, I hope I was able to share something new with you. Thank you.